welcome back to the channel. Stay tuned because this is going to be one that you do not want to miss. It's a one-on-one RC car I custom built, cut it in half, put a whole bunch of extras on it, stretched it to 5 feet long. But this is a one-on-one RC car, fully functional, 35 miles an hour, Wrestler VXL. Today, I'm going to do a rhino liner on the underneath side of my RC car. And then I'm going to go on the other side and rhino liner the other side. And then we're going to paint over the rhino liner with...
Not bad at all.
Not bad at all. Let's take all my components out of the Armor Typhoon 3S brushless and put it in there. But if I do that, I'm going to need somebody to make me a drive shaft to go from here to there, because this is all-wheel drive. All-wheel drive setup. Cut it in half and make another one just like that. This is the Traxxas Wrestler VXL. Let's do a 10-foot version of it. Let's go big, let's go badder, and let's just go all the way. The sky's the limit. Then, of course, you have this beast. You have this wonderful, brilliant supercar of an RC car. Goes 70 out the box. I put my speed gear in it. I've done a couple other things to it. I'm thinking we're right about 80, maybe 85 miles an hour. As soon as my GPS comes in, I'll be able to know the exact speed. But dude, just look at this thing. The wing is obnoxious. The diffuser's obnoxious. It's a really good vehicle, and I'll tell you right now, that big rock broke the back dog bone back there before this thing even broke. This thing has more power, it's all-wheel drive, and it's insane. It has all kinds of different things you can do to it, like advanced vehicle control, the gyro, which actually I have a gyro and a brand new RC remote coming for that I'll be doing a review on, because right now the signal on this is not the best, so you cannot go too far with it because then it cuts out and it just takes off by itself. This one, it has no problems. It's an absolute beast. This truck though, she's an absolute wheelie monster. That's all it does is wheelies. But I mean, the RC cars I have are just insane. We got the Fast and the Furious. We got the Fast and the Furious 9 Drift. We got this one. I got this one, but I have to rebuild it. Of course, these. Those up there. My racing simulator. We're about to jump my 2011 Chevy Silverado with the Armor Big Rock brushless. I put the speed gear in it. I got bigger batteries for it. I've seen nothing but it doing good, jumping and ramping. So you know what? We're gonna see. Look at this. This thing is badass. Pretty sweet little off-road machine right there. Now it's the AutoZone excursion. Here we go. Let's see what we can get for that. I want to make it louder. Louder, better, and obnoxious is always the best. Should I light the tires up in the truck? I think I'm gonna light the tires up in the truck. We're about to light the tires up in the truck. Let's see. No police around. No cops. Oh, hold on, I gotta take traction control off. Yeah! This time traction control is completely off. Damn rain just keeps raining, won't ever go away. He's over there messing with my transmitter. Well, we let the tires up, got a little squirrely sideways. I got all my work stuff in the back. Got stuff in the very back of the truck too, in the bed. So I don't care. Roast them. So who wants to see me roast some tires in the Mustang? I gotta find a spot to do it, because I can't get no more tickets. My insurance is already too high. But I'm definitely gonna find a spot to roast some tires, because I need somebody to get some roll shots when I'm going down the road. Today, we're using this to spray the bottom of the RC car. Hopefully the truck bed liner, Herculiner, hopefully it does pretty good. We're gonna see. Now for the fun part, flip it over, take the battery out. So we officially got the Rhino liner on the RC car, guys. This is the first coat of the Rhino liner. First coat. Then once it dries tomorrow, we'll put another coat on it. That's how I have that hooked up. I'm gonna Rhino liner that some more. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell in the corner of the screen. Like and share. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a wonderful evening. Lots more to come. You're not going to want to miss the next videos. They're only going to get better from here on out. Like I said, we're about to jump the truck with the RC car.